Warriors are back. Complicated times. We've got two projects running at the moment. We've got Paul Hall running one in Worthing, and here I am in Tamworth. This time, what a cause, what a fantastic cause. This is what it's all about, community spirit. So here I am, Tamworth Olympic Gymnastics Centre. So this place, what a sad story. The commercial unit next to it caught fire. So all the dust and chemicals came into this dwelling and it's had to be completely gutted. A massive overhead. So here, two new boilers, very complicated. Let's have a look. This is the system boiler. This boiler ideally needs replacing. It's leaking, it's inefficient, the safety devices are not very good, and the controls are pretty inefficient. They've got an electric boiler to replace that with, and an unvented cylinder, which I'll show you now. Here we have the hot water. So this is two units now. There's the hot water. So we've got an unvented cylinder for that. Come on guys, come on ladies and gentlemen. So far that's one electric boiler, one unvented cylinder that needs to be installed here. Let me show you around the charity project. It's quite sad what's gone off really. So all the carpets have had to be taken up, removed. There's dust everywhere, you can actually smell it. Bouncy trampoline thing, all the sponges had to come out. All the carpets have been taken up. So all the smoke and spillage came through the roof space just there. Oh, look at it. Wow, look at this, look. Fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, so it's quite depressing, isn't it, when you see community hubs like this in such a state. So this looks like some form of waiting room, doesn't it? You know, where they got tickets or they come to enter a competition. Nice little canteen here. All came to a halt because of misfortune. So here we go, commercial premise number 2. So you can see how big the unit is. Look how depressing it is. Poor youngsters now missing their hobby, their interest. So this is the next boiler. So it's a combination boiler. It's practically on the verge of being decommissioned. If you look at the interface, look at the interface on that. What a state. Look at the pipe work. So the charity have started up a funding page. They were insured, fortunately, but that's only covering some of the costs. It's really major, the work they're having done here. So, two boilers. Big shout out to Alpha. Yet again, great products, great company, great hybrid boiler, great warranty. Yet again, they've came to the rescue and they're helping this community. They're helping all the youngsters and all the parents come back and enjoy their weekends and evenings here. Let's talk about this boiler. This is quite a challenge. So if you're an installer, give me your opinion on this project. First option, take the boiler flue, the void. There should just be enough clearance. That's one method. So with that boiler option, the flue could come out about here. Second option is to replace the boiler like for like. Take this rotten old inefficient boiler out and put the new Alpha in its place. But the problem is this. Now the problem with that option, you got the height of the flue, the height of the roof, but look at it. I'm scared of heights. Certainly can't ask an electrician to go up there. I don't even think a cherry picker could go up there. So yeah, give me your thoughts on that, please. Use your wisdom and your strategy. So, Birmingham, Tamworth. So the third option will be to put the boiler in this room. Put the boiler in this room and run the pipe work either in the void or high up in the room outside. So that's the third option. Quite a bit more work, but I'm not really keen on that idea because if you go through the ceiling void, you've got the metal fascia at the back, which I'll show you. Put it in the room, take the boiler out here, run the pipes up the wall, and then throw it into the room. So with that boiler position option, the boiler flue will come out on the metal fascia cladding. That's better, but really, I don't really want to cut the cladding. I'm just a plumber. I don't want to be held responsible for any legalities. Well, fuel poverty, it's got huge costs of running, huge cost to refurbish this place, and there's one of the boilers, look. Pilot light, non-condensing, balanced flue. It's not even got a cover on it, look. Look how the pipes are exposed underneath. On-off controls, no thermostat, no weather compensation, no thermostatic valves. There's the flue. So to meet Part L regulations, all radiators need thermostatic valves on.